Everyday surfaces can harbour invisible microbes, but with BioCote antimicrobial technology, protection starts at the surface. Microbes are microscopic organisms that can't be seen with the naked eye, such as bacteria, mould and fungi. On an unprotected surface, microbes double in as little as 4 to 20 minutes. On a BioCote-treated surface, microbes cannot survive. BioCote protects against odour, staining, material degradation. The result is a durable product where BioCote remains active for its expected lifetime. We then select the most suitable additive for that specific base material. These components are blended during the manufacturing process, ensuring even dispersion. This creates a treated material with built-in antimicrobial protection throughout. The result is a durable product where BioCote remains active for its expected lifetime. BioCote reduces microbial growth by up to 86% in just 15 minutes, 99.5% in 2 hours, and up to 99.9% in 24 hours. BioCote integrates proven antimicrobial technology into everyday surfaces, keeping surfaces cleaner, fresher, and longer lasting. Trusted worldwide, BioCote delivers lasting performance where it matters most. Invisible protection, visible results.